Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about a wooden crafts project that transforms any living space into a modern aesthetic while maintaining functionality by showing collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating a wooden crafts project that transforms any living space into a modern aesthetic while maintaining functionality is an exciting endeavor that combines creativity with practicality. The beauty of wood lies not only in its natural warmth and texture, but also in its versatility, allowing it to be shaped and designed to suit various styles and needs. Imagine entering a room where the elegance of handcrafted wooden furniture seamlessly blends with contemporary design elements, creating an inviting atmosphere that feels both stylish and cozy. One such project could be the construction of a sleek, minimalist coffee table that serves as a centerpiece in your living room. This table could feature clean lines, perhaps with a geometric base made from reclaimed wood, showcasing the unique grain patterns and imperfections that tell a story of its origin. The tabletop could be finished with a smooth, natural stain to enhance the wood's inherent beauty, while also providing a durable surface for daily use. Incorporating storage into this design could elevate its functionality. Imagine adding hidden compartments or shelves beneath the tabletop, perfect for stashing away magazines, remote controls, or even board games, thus keeping the living area tidy and organized. This multifunctional piece not only serves as a practical solution for clutter, but also enhances the modern aesthetic of the room, embodying the principle that furniture should be both beautiful and useful. Moving beyond furniture, consider crafting wooden wall art that can serve as a striking focal point in any space. A large, abstract piece made from various types of wood can add depth and interest to a plain wall, while also reflecting your personal style. By using different stains and finishes, you can create a gradient effect that draws the eye and complements the color palette of your room. This kind of art piece not only beautifies your space, but also adds a layer of warmth that only natural materials can provide. Another idea could be designing a series of wooden shelves that are not only functional, but also serve as decorative elements. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood can be installed in staggered arrangements on a wall, creating a visually appealing display area for books, plants, or decorative items. These shelves can be customized in size and finish to match your existing decor, while providing an opportunity to showcase personal treasures or curated collections. The juxtaposition of the rustic wood against modern decor can create an intriguing contrast that elevates the overall aesthetic of the room. If you're looking to enhance your outdoor living space, consider building a wooden pergola or trellis. This structure can provide shade and define an outdoor area while seamlessly integrating with nature. Using untreated cedar or redwood not only ensures durability, but also allows the natural beauty of the wood to shine through. You can train climbing plants to grow over the structure, creating a lush, green canopy that enhances the space's tranquility and charm. Additionally, think about creating a wooden bench or seating area that complements your pergola. This bench can feature built-in storage underneath for cushions or gardening tools, making it both functional and stylish. The combination of these elements can transform your outdoor space into an inviting retreat that encourages relaxation and social gatherings. For those who appreciate the finer details in home decor, crafting small wooden accessories can also make a significant impact. Items such as coasters, candle holders, or picture frames can be easily made from scrap wood pieces, allowing you to infuse your home with personalized touches. By experimenting with different shapes and finishes, you can create cohesive sets that tie together various elements within your living space. These small crafts may seem minor, but they can add layers of texture and interest when strategically placed throughout your home. Moreover, consider integrating technology into your wooden crafts projects to enhance functionality. For instance, creating a wooden charging station can help declutter surfaces while providing a designated spot for electronic devices. This station could feature compartments for various gadgets and cables, all crafted from beautiful hardwoods that match your decor. By blending technology with traditional craftsmanship, you create solutions that cater to modern lifestyles without sacrificing style. As you embark on these wooden crafts projects, remember the importance of sustainability. Sourcing reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood not only contributes to environmental conservation but also adds character to your creations. Each piece of wood carries its own history, and incorporating it into your projects allows you to share that story within your home. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to being eco-friendly, using reclaimed wood often means embracing imperfections, knots, varying grain patterns, and unique colors that can enhance the visual appeal of your crafts. As you work on these projects, consider how each piece will interact with the surrounding space. The goal is to create an environment where each element complements one another, forming a cohesive design narrative throughout your home. Lighting is another crucial aspect to consider when transforming your living space into a modern aesthetic. Wooden light fixtures or lampshades can introduce warmth and sophistication while providing necessary illumination. A pendant light made from slatted wood can cast interesting shadows on the walls and ceiling while serving as a stunning focal point above dining areas or kitchen islands. Additionally, consider incorporating LED strips within wooden structures to create ambient lighting effects that enhance the mood of your space. This blend of functionality and aesthetics will elevate your home's design while ensuring it remains practical for everyday use. As you explore these wooden crafts project ideas, allow your creativity to flow freely. Each project is an opportunity to express your personal style while enhancing the functionality of your living space. Whether it's through furniture pieces that serve dual purposes or decorative items that tell a story, woodworking offers endless possibilities for transforming any area into a modern haven that balances beauty with practicality. Embrace the process of crafting with wood as not just a means to an end, but as an enriching journey that connects you with nature and nurtures your creativity. By thoughtfully considering each element, from design to materials, you'll create spaces that are not only visually stunning but also deeply functional and inviting for years to come. Transform your indoor or outdoor space with custom wooden planters. These can be made from reclaimed wood or treated lumber for durability. Consider designing planters in various shapes and sizes to create a tiered garden effect. You could build a vertical planter that saves space while allowing you to grow herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. Incorporating drainage holes and a liner will ensure the longevity of the planters while also protecting the wood from moisture damage. To add texture and warmth to your living space, consider creating wooden wall panels. These can be made from strips of wood arranged in patterns such as herringbone or chevron, adding a modern touch to any room. Not only do wooden wall panels serve as a stunning backdrop for furniture or artwork, but they can also help with sound insulation, making your home feel cozier. Staining the wooden shades that complement your decor can further enhance the visual appeal. Create a unique wooden wall clock that acts as both a functional timepiece and an art piece. Using different woods for the clock face and hands can create an eye-catching contrast. Experiment with shapes beyond the traditional round design, think square, hexagonal, or even abstract forms. This project allows for creativity in both design and finish, making it a standout feature in any room. As you embark on these projects, consider the impact of your materials on the environment. Sourcing locally harvested wood or using reclaimed materials not only reduces your carbon footprint but also adds character to your creations. Explore options like bamboo, which is rapidly renewable and has a lower environmental impact compared to traditional hardwoods. Additionally, using eco-friendly finishes and stains will ensure that your projects are safe for both your family and the planet. Engaging in woodworking projects offers more than just the satisfaction of creating something beautiful. It allows you to infuse your living space with personality and warmth while maintaining functionality. Each crafted piece tells a story, whether it's through the wood's unique grain patterns or the memories associated with its creation. As you explore these ideas, allow yourself to experiment and innovate. Woodworking is not just about following plans but about expressing yourself through craftsmanship. By thoughtfully integrating these projects into your home, you'll cultivate an environment that reflects your personal style while providing practical solutions for everyday living. Embrace the journey of woodworking as an opportunity to connect with nature, enhance your space, and create lasting memories through each crafted piece. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.